my friends.
Hey, good morning, everybody.
We are going out on the boat today.
We are, and it's a very, very special day.
It is Joel's birthday.
My birthday.
Happy birthday.
Thank you, baby. So, yeah, we're going to go on the boat, and scallop season in our area opened up yesterday.
So in Pasco County in Florida, they only have it for 10 days.
Yep. So going scalloping, but we've heard from other areas that have been open before this for the last few weeks that the scallops are kind of hard to find.
So we may catch like 2, but that's okay. We're gonna have a fun day out there.
Yes, and Hannah, our daughter, is going to join us at the boat ramp and spend the day with us on Mac.
She has never been on the boat before because it's such a small boat. We usually just go with the 2 of us.
So we're going to be loaded down.
We, if we don't find many scallops, we're probably gonna try to head over to Anclote and hit the sandbar a little bit.
So with scallops, sandbar, sun, Florida, it's
all of that.
You can't lose. And my birthday.
To celebrate Joel.
Yes.
Gotta do that. That's the most important part of the day.
If you just a moment of silence, please. It'd be great. All right, guys.
We'll see you there.
All right, guys, we got the boat in the water. Amy's hanging out with Mac. I just got them parking the vehicle, and ever since we've had kids, we've been waiting for them. No matter where we're going, we're waiting. And so we are waiting for Hannah to get here, and then we'll be on our way. All right, Hannah has graced us with her presence. And what?
I brought you cookies since it's your birthday.
Oh, thank you, sweetie. All right, you ready to go catch some scallops?
Yes.
A little underwater Easter egg hunt?
I'm ready. Let's go. Right. Let's go find us some scallops, Hannah. Heading out to Anclote. This is nuts. So we are obviously coming up on the Pasco line because this is where all the boats are. I don't know if you can see them in the camera, but there's a definitive line that kind of separates Pinellas and Pasco County. There's a diver right there. So we're gonna make sure we don't hit anybody and head on up there and find our little spot. All right, getting in. Getting in. First dive, and he got one. Do you have your bag? There you go.
Literally down, found one.
Found first one.
That's a good sign.
All right, Hannah's gonna get in. It's pretty deep here, Hannah. Whew. I'm in the water already, but I'm not sure I could actually dive down to get him, so I think she'll be better at it than I will.
No? So they're tough to find because they're down deep. I'm having to dive down and swim around to look for them. Okay. Just look for something that looks circular, that doesn't belong.
Okay.
You got it! Good job, Anna.
That's what it looks like. All right, so we had to move spots. So
The police boat was coming by.
Right, and there was a bunch of people that were maybe just a little south of the county line, which was us. So we think,
Maybe.
we're not sure. So ounce of precaution, and so we moved, new spot.
Hopefully it looks a little less
Shallow,
deep.
or yeah.
Yeah, shallower.
Yep.
So
And hopefully there's as many scallops here. That was killing it.
yeah, how much did you get? Probably a gallon?
A gallon, yeah.
Yeah, let's do it.
Okay.
How you doing, Joel? Good, how you doing?
Good.
You finding a lot down there?
They're here, but the grass is so deep, so long, you
Yeah,
can't see them through the grass
yeah.
when they're on the bottom.
I had to get out because I just couldn't see it.
Yeah.
So, all right, here's what we caught so far. And they keep coming up to the top and trying to get out. Look at what Joel found for Hannah. Oh, look at it. The starfish, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, starfish.
Cute
Oh,
one.
it's so pretty.
He's cute. She's cute. That's cute.
Oh, I love it.
Look at it. Look at it's like the trying to grip onto my hand.
Oh, that's cool.
Okay, I think we're done with the second location. Been here, what, 45 minutes?
Yeah, about that.
So it didn't do too bad. Maybe a gallon.
Yeah, and there's a bright orange one, right?
Yeah, there is one bright orange one.
Cool.
And that's like the thing to find.
It's like the golden egg,
Yeah,
right?
Right there. Right there. It's good. It's the goal. You're right. Golden egg. All right, so time for some lunch, and then we'll.
Yeah, I think we're gonna go over to Anclote Island, right? To the sandbar.
Sandbar.
Nice. Woo! It's choppy out here. Yes, Joel gave her his glasses, so at least she doesn't get it in her. That was a good one, Hannah. Really good. So we found a spot. Not sure it's my favorite spot, but it's a spot. We'll see.
Any spot with me is your favorite
That's right. So we backed the boat up here, just on the north side of Anclote Island. And there's more boats down there, but we like to be with less boats. So we're gonna get out and have some lunch.
So we picked just about the perfect place for lunch. So Mac is anchored just offshore on the north tip of Anclote, as Amy said. And look at that. Amy found us a super cool table to use while we're eating lunch. Nice job, Amy.
Sandwiches somehow.
Nice job. All right, we are done eating, and although we shouldn't swim for 30 minutes, Amy's getting a little bit of time in the water, aren't you, Amy?
Yes. It is still a little deeper than I want. I'm like on my knees, I guess. But it's
Yes.
good.
We got Mac in the back,
Back in the back.
and Hannah walking up. What up, Hannah? So we're gonna hang out here for a little bit longer, and then we're gonna go try our hand one more time at
One more
catching some
time in
scallops.
scalloping. Maybe we can get it so I can get one. I just want one. We gotta get it a little shallower.
Well, it could be a longer video than we expected.
So I finally was able to get in, and I thought I got one, and it was only a half a shell. Look at that. My first one wasn't a real one. All right, I guess we gotta go looking for more. All right, come on in, Hannah.
Coming.
Come on.
I'm coming.
Get in there. Get in my bucket. All right, we're putting Amy's loot
My loot.
in the bucket.
There's only like 6.
Amy's not going to eat very much tonight. They like your bag. They won't let
They
go.
do. Look at them all. There's what? Probably 3 gallons? Maybe. Yeah, about 3 gallons or so. Look at those little guys.
Oh.
He's trying to swim out. That's probably the one that started swimming at me and got scared when he saw me. All right, we're back in the boat, and I like that last spot a lot.
Yeah,
It was
shallow.
much more shallow. So we're heading back to the dock, and it looks like the winds are, or not the winds, but the rain is coming in.
Clouds
So
popping up.
we're heading back. We're back at Sunset Beach. We are heading home.
Yes, we are loaded up. We got Mac in the back.
Now it is time to go home and clean the boat and clean
the scallops.
we gotta hopefully remember how to shuck them.
I don't know. That's what YouTube is for. YouTube. Have you heard of it?
So have one of Hannah's cookies.
Oh, I
She brought
will.
them for your birthday. We didn't eat
Yes.
them on the boat.
Uh-huh.
So this will be our snack on the way
Oh,
home.
Perfect.
All right, we'll show you how to shuck them if we can figure it out.
Don't follow our All right, the boat's all cleaned up. What do you smell, Skylar? Skylar smells scallops. So it's time to clean the scallops. And we did this once.
About a year ago.
About a year ago, but we had help from people who knew what they were doing. And they're not home right now, so they can't help us.
Yes.
So we're gonna.
So we
try
did
it-
watch our YouTube video.
Yeah, so we're gonna try it ourselves. So here goes the
So
first
how
one.
many did we catch, you think?
We've got
About 2.5
2.5
gallons?
gallons. Yeah, the
Okay.
5-gallon bucket's about half
All right.
full. So there
Dirty
they are.
water, but there you go.
There's our scallops.
Okay, so this is
Oh.
the absolute first one that we're doing.
Yes.
Let's do it. Skylar wants to be a part of it.
You're
Okay,
not
you got
doing
it.
it
Wait,
right.
stop.
There you go.
You got it. You got to tell him how you're doing it.
All right. So, Scott, they say to start cleaning it with the bright side of the scallop up. There's a dark side and a white side.
Okay.
So I'm cleaning it with the white side up, and they
Okay.
say, just take a spoon, just kind of go in there really carefully, and scrape it all. And then once you do that, you can open it up, and that's the junk that's inside.
Gross.
It is kind of gross. So here's the tricky part, is actually getting all this junk away from the scallop. I don't know, have any idea how we're doing that.
Do you remember how we did it on the video?
Nope.
You bring it and you scrape it up like this.
All right.
Remember?
Nope.
He didn't pay attention when he was watching it. Nope, you gotta pull it up towards the end. Yes, you're doing it.
The problem is the scallops that are in the bucket.
Oh,
are-
yep, see how it pulled right away from there, except you broke part of it.
Yeah. Scallop. And in a second, we should just have nice, fresh scallop meat there to eat.
Except you keep moving around, they can't see you when you keep moving.
There you go. That's our scallop.
Look at that.
And then you scrape it out. Numero uno, Skylar. Don't eat that.
All right, now I'm gonna do one,
Okay.
and let's see how I do on my first one.
It's gonna be great.
Okay.
All right.
I'm doing one now.
Amy made fun of me. So it's
Let's do this. Ready?
All right.
White side up. You get in there just a little bit. Make sure he's open.
so on the way home, we did stop and put some ice in this bucket
Yes.
because they say that actually helps the scallops to open up a little bit.
So what I'm doing here is I'm pulling it the guts and the actual meat away from that side. So now I can open it up here, and then you can put that away. And then it said to just kind of bring it around.
It looks like an octopus inside.
I know,
there.
but I need to come over here. So
all right.
hold on. Skylar, out.
Sky-
Go!
Hello, you're gross.
Okay, so what's happening here is it's pulling. Can you move her? Is it's pulling away. See how it's kind of pulling? It's just pulling right off of there, right? And then what this guy said was, so this will come off. We need to move this bucket. Just kind of pull it off.
Ew.
See, he said there's this tendon right here. You see? So he said bring your knife, your spoon this way, and kind of get under it, and then kind of come along that tendon. So you leave the tendon, and then you have a nice piece of meat.
You did better than I did.
See, I did watch my
great.
tutorial, and then you've got that.
All right.
So,
Amy's doing them all.
okay.
Make it
Okay,
happen.
Hannah's gonna try it
So,
now.
Yeah, definitely scrape right along the top so it scrapes it out.
Scrape out all the, just kind of pull it away.
There you go.
There you go.
You can throw that top half away. Goodbye. Now, yeah.
And then just kind of pull it, yep. And so you want to make sure that the meat of it, you don't like dig into it. So kind of pull it and pull it up. Yeah. See how it's coming apart there?
Mm-hmm.
There you go.
Yeah. I can't.
You can do it. There you go. Keep on.
Keep going. Just bring.
I refuse
There
to
you go.
use my hands.
I know, that's okay.
Get off.
You got it. Just don't use the, I need you to use the spoon, but you're getting some of the meat there. You don't want to dig into the meat. No, you got to keep going the other way. You can't go down. You got to bring it back. There you go. There you go. Keep going. And it got a little meat and part of the tendon. So go ahead and scoop that
Sorry.
out. That's all right. You did good. All right. Hannah just did her first one. You did good. Good job.
And the rain's coming, so we got to get started.
All right, we're doing more. Okay, we are gonna say goodbye.
We are, because we're cooking dinner, and once dinner's done,
We're gonna munch on it.
we are.
So we're making Alfredo with penne pasta, our scallops,
Yes.
and garlic bread.
Garlic bread, yes. So
Very.
it's gonna be delicious.
It's-
I can't wait.
They're fresh.
Right.
The scallops, you have to eat them today.
Yes.
Yes.
So if you haven't been scallop, right?
Yep.
I say scallop. Amy says scallop. If you know what it is,
Scallop.
let's get a vote. Who's right? So if you haven't been, go.
It's so much fun.
It's literally like an underwater Easter egg hunt. It's a blast.
But wear more sunscreen than I did because I am burnt and it's gonna hurt tomorrow.
Yes.
But if you enjoyed the video, please subscribe to the channel
Bloop, bloop.
and like and comment. We'd love to hear from you.
Yeah.
And
Thanks for coming along.
that's it. Yeah.
That's it.
Have
We're gonna go cook.
all right.
And then we're gonna eat.
Have a glorious day, guys.
See you.
Bye.